So, welcome back. This is Muzaffar Ismail from technave.com, and we'll be doing the unboxing for the Xiaomi Redmi 2 smartphone. Now, this time around, this will be the one sold in Malaysia, coming on the 17th of March, for RM449. So, let's take a look at the box, and you can see it's certified for use in Hong Kong, actually. And tech specs would be, it's got a quad-core 1.2 gigahertz processor, Qualcomm, 4.7-inch HD IPS display. It's more or less the same in terms of tech specs compared to the previous one that we did an unboxing for. But the previous one was black, and this one is white. So let's take a look. Alright, so there's the phone. Let's lift it up. Okay. White and everything. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so there's the Xiaomi quick start manuals and whatnot. There's the battery, which is 2200 mAh compared to the previous Redmi 1S. There's a micro USB cable, and there should also be one other thing there. Okay. So, the one thing that differs from the previous unboxing, which was the international version, is the plug. And that is a standard 3-pin USB charger. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing for the Malaysian version of the Xiaomi Redmi 2. So this is what you're going to get if you buy the Redmi 2 on the 17th of March. Stay tuned for more stuff from technave.com, and we'll be updating the Redmi 2 review that we did previously, so check that out. Stay tuned for at technave.com. Thank you very much for watching.